has decided to join the Artemis Accords, which brings like-minded countries together on civil space exploration. The US White House said that the National Aeronautics and Space Administration or NASA and Indian Space Research Organization or ISRO have agreed to a joint mission to the International Space Station or ISS in 2024. Grounded in the Outer Space Treaty of 1967 or OST, the Artemis Accords are a non-binding set of principles designed to guide civil space exploration and use in the 21st century. It is an American-led effort to return humans to the moon by the year 2025 with the ultimate goal of expanding space exploration to Mars and beyond. An official said that NASA and ISRO are developing a strategic framework for human spaceflight cooperation this year. In addition, the official said that NASA and ISRO have agreed to a joint mission to the International Space Station in the year 2024. On semiconductors, US companies are partnering with India to build a semiconductor ecosystem and promote supply chain diversification. Micron Technology, with support from the Indian National Semiconductor Mission, announced an investment of more than $800 million. Together with additional financial support from Indian authorities, the project will amount to $2.75 billion semiconductor assembly and test facility in India. They have also signed a new implementation arrangement on artificial intelligence, advanced wireless and quantum technologies. The US On and Economic Development Consortium is now welcoming into its membership Indian quantum universities and entities as well. On advanced telecommunications, the two countries are working together on 5G and 6G technologies, including Open Radio Access Network or RAN systems. India's 5G and 6G and the US Next G Alliance will be leading a new public-private cooperation forum as well. The US will also be welcoming Indian participation in the US RIP and Replace program that removes telecommunications equipment made by untrusted vendors. The official further said that on critical minerals and mineral security, the United States will announce its support for India becoming a member of the Mineral Security Partnership. It is led by the US State Department and strengthens the critical mineral supplies chain.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.